Could the White House have been hiding the truth about XRP this whole time? XRP just leapfrogged BlackRock, and whales are gearing up for what looks like a massive move. What's up, beautiful people? We're diving into XRP and the broader crypto market today. All I ask is you throw me a big smile to send out those good vibes. Smash that like button. It's Sunday, fun day, and let's aim for 333 likes on this video. I know you guys can make it happen. And quick reminder, if you're watching this anywhere other than YouTube, it's not me. Don't get tricked by impersonators. So, where are we now? XRP is trading at about 3.3, down roughly 0.4% on the day. Overall, the market feels kind of sluggish, with the exception of Ethereum and Solana. Solana is still below its peak from late last year, while Ethereum is climbing, even flirting with its all-time high, which could be broken any moment. XRP, meanwhile, is sitting quietly, but it may not stay that way. On the 4-hour chart, we just saw a bullish crossover on the 1348 EMA. But on the daily, there's risk of a bearish crossover. Either way, XRP is right near its trend line, and with a major event happening tomorrow, things could heat up fast. And just a quick note, nobody knows what XRP will do in the short term, myself included. This isn't financial advice. Always do your own research before investing. And remember, I'll never DM you asking for money or promoting shady tokens. Be cautious, there are a lot of scams out there. Now, here's the big headline. XRP's market cap has officially surpassed BlackRock, the largest asset manager in the world. Let that sink in. That's a huge milestone. Could this push BlackRock to finally create an XRP ETF? It's possible, and that would be huge. Before we go further, a quick word about today's sponsor, BTCC. If you sign up with the link in the description and trade this week, you could win up to 300 in Solana. There will be 5 winners, and there's also a bigger competition with prizes up to $500,000 in USDT, plus even a signed NBA jersey. But please, trade responsibly. Leverage can make you a lot of money, but it can also wipe you out. Understand the risks, and know that if you use my link, I do get a commission. Now, let's get back to XRP. Tomorrow, Mastercard, Ripple, and Gemini are officially launching the XRP Mastercard. Ads have already dropped, and Gemini confirmed it with a tweet. This could be a turning point in XRP's story. Will people want a cashback credit card tied to XRP? Time will tell, but either way, it means major exposure for XRP. But here's where it gets really wild. Reports just surfaced that at least 19 White House officials secretly hold between 1.7 million and 2.35 million worth of crypto, including Bitcoin, Ethereum, XRP, Solana, and Cardano. And guess what? Those are the exact coins Trump mentioned in his proposal for the National Reserve. Think about that. Honestly, I wouldn't be shocked if way more than 19 officials are holding crypto quietly. And I'd bet money some of the biggest public crypto critics in Washington actually own digital assets through family members or back channels. That's just how it works. The closer you are to the inside, the easier it is to get a seat at the table. And when you're that close to opportunity, temptation is too strong to resist. Now here's another thing to watch. Hyperliquid has completely changed the game. In past cycles, when whales placed massive trades, we couldn't see it in real time. But now, we can track their positions openly. In the last few hours alone, one whale deposited 15 million and went long on Bitcoin, BNB, Solana, Ethereum, Chainlink, and Filecoin. Another put down 5 million and went long on ETH, BitDAO, Hype, Chainlink, Aave, and Maker. This could be bullish, but it also carries risk. When whales stack up leveraged longs, the market becomes vulnerable to sharp corrections. All it takes is one piece of bad news, jobs data, inflation reports, whatever, and liquidations can trigger a big sell-off. Remember the case of James, the trader who got liquidated after whales deliberately shook the market? The same thing could happen here. one bigger whale could step in, short heavily, and crush all these leveraged longs. So yes, whale activity looks strong, but it's a double-edged sword. It can be a bullish signal, but it can also set the stage for nasty wipeouts. Short-term, there's a lot of uncertainty. Long-term, I'm still incredibly bullish on crypto, and I believe XRP's moment is coming. As always, not financial advice. Do your own research before making any moves. If you want to support the channel, you can subscribe, drop a comment, type Infinity and Beyond to let me know you're here, or even join as a member. Everything helps keep this going. Thanks for watching, my friends.